Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to optimize your Shopify store for mobile devices. So let's begin. So here we are in Shopify, and what we're going to do is click here on our online store so that we will be able to view the themes, because the themes are very important here. So if you're using a theme, then you're most likely going to have your mobile version of your site already optimized, especially when you are using the paid version. So if you're running into problems regarding your themes for maybe this, let's say the mobile version view, just like this one, then what you can do best is to contact the developers and ask what is the best course of action that you can take, because some of your problems might be different from others. So it's best to contact the developer. You can just contact them, and when you go here into the visit the theme store, so let's visit it right here. Let's just wait. And from here, as you can see, a lot of these themes right here are paid, and one of the aspects that you should look for when choosing a theme right here, especially when you're just starting, is that you want to look for if their customer support is very active right here, so that when you encounter any problem, they would be able to assist you and fix the problems that you may have right here. So you can just go here and go in support and documentation, and you can see right here, this is the latest update, which means this is very recent because today is still on the month of July, which means this is very updated right here, and you can get their support right here by clicking this button right here. So if you availed their theme, then they can help you in fixing your own problem right here. But if not, then if you know anything about code, then you can also go here and click here, and you can edit the code right here yourself if you know how to do this. But assuming that you're watching this video, I'm assuming that you don't know how to do this right here. So yeah, that is basically it on how you can optimize your Shopify store for mobile version. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.